Okay, so you all see what I'm working with here. Kind of a mess. Got some units here from some stuff I've gotten couponing. My stockpile, you could say. And down here is the unit I have made, the only part I have started on organizing this craft room. I got all of these like miniature crates from Walmart. They were on clearance. The shelf price had 50 cents each. So I got a few of them, but then they were ringing up 10 cents each. So I went back and I got a total of 10. And I glued these together. Each piece has like these, I don't know if you can see, those little legs there, these little prods and holes. I filled those with E6000 and hot glue just to give it a good hold, and I've let that dry for like a couple days now. So that's going to be going up here on the desk to try to organize all that mess. So we better get started. I'm using shelf liner and foam board from the Dollar Tree to make little shelf inserts. I decided to take some Christmas lights that I already had and tape them on the back of the shelving unit. Things that I already had to organize all of these little cubby holes. Got some DIY stuff coming with those things. Some ribbon and tags and stuff there. Miscellaneous, lots of markers. All my construction paper and felt. So yeah, this will be my little craft area. I think it looks pretty good. And over here are my storage shelves. Just organize those a bit. Definitely an improvement on the mess that it was. For my fridge, I'm going to use Dollar Tree contact paper and measure it out to fit each shelf. One nice thing about this contact paper is that you can wipe it clean. These stick-on labels are also from the Dollar Tree. The best thing about this is that when it gets too dirty to wipe up, I can just toss the paper. At only $1, this is definitely something that makes my life easier. Thank you for watching today. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more content.